This happens all the time. You set up your LinkedIn account and you use your maiden name and then you get married. Or you set up your LinkedIn account and you use your married name and then you get divorced. Or you build your LinkedIn account and you're so proud of the company you work for that you put their name in your LinkedIn profile URL and then you leave that company or you leave that industry or you leave that role. And now your LinkedIn profile URL is misleading. This happens all the time. Now, I want to give you this suggestion and then I'm going to show you how to fix your LinkedIn profile URL. The suggestion is this. Make your LinkedIn profile all about you as a person. Mine is very clear. If you look at mine right now, there it is right there, linkedin.com/in/TLBurriss, RRS. I probably put that in there when I created my account. And today, everything on the internet related to Teddy Burriss has the handle TL Burriss. This is powerful branding. If you use a handle on your LinkedIn profile, maybe it's the same handle you use on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and Quora and YouTube and Slack and Skype, etc., 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 etc. That's powerful branding. Now you can just tell people, just in my case, just Google TL Burriss, RRS, and they'll find me everywhere I am. So, and then once you decide what LinkedIn profile URL to use, unless you're forced to change it, never, ever, ever change it. Here's why. If I go do a search in Google, I go to google.com and I do a search for TL Burriss, heck, if I do a search for linkedin.com/in/TL Burriss, look here. Let me see what I typed it right. In less than a half a second, it found 6,900 pages where that text, linkedin.com/in/TL Burriss, shows up. And this is powerful branding. If I just do a search for TL Burriss, in less than a second, it found 7,300 pages. Set your LinkedIn profile URL, and unless you're forced to change it because of marriage, divorce, or whatever, business decision to change it, don't ever change it ever again. And use your LinkedIn profile wherever you can. Now, how do we change it? It's really pretty easy. Look, it's right there in front of you. You see it? Over here, public profile and URL. If I click on this pencil, it's going to take me to the settings page for my public profile settings. And over here on the right is edit your custom URL. And you hit this pencil right here. And when you hit that pencil, you can change this text right here. So, and again, simple and sweet. And if your name is John Smith, you may not be able to use John Smith. But you may be able to use John L. Smith or John P. Smith. Do some testing and see what you can use. And when you decide, get something that is short and simple as you can, hit the save button. And then never change it ever again. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this idea is helpful for you.